Hey, Coach Greg here, and welcome to day 8 of the 10-day Muffin Top Toning Challenge. We have a good one for you, so we're gonna jump right into it. I'm just gonna demonstrate these standing exercises for you. We're gonna be losing our love handles today, so let me show you what we got going on. We're gonna start off with some marching jacks. Now, normal jumping jack rather is bang, so what we're just gonna do is focus on the arm movements, matching that with some marching. That's right. So as we bring our arms up and as they come down, we are going to clap beneath our legs just like this. Bang, that is your marching jacks. Next, we have the kick crunch, one of my favorites. Keep your leg as straight as you can, but don't be afraid to bend that knee. And all we're doing is as we kick this leg out, we're gonna reach through, try to tap our toes, really crunch over. You're gonna feel it in your midsection. Bang, and that is your kick crunch. Next, you have the side knee repeaters. We're gonna focus on one side at a time, 15 seconds, then switch to the other. But all we're doing is putting all our weight on our front foot. That back leg is extended, arms are out in front of us, and as we drive this knee towards us, we're gonna twist over to this side, just like that, and then we'll do the other side. And there you have it. Last, we have the side leg lift. Stand up nice and tall. I like to have my hands on my hips as a guide. All we're doing is trying to extend to a side leg lift. Don't focus on height, because that causes us to cheat and we just hinge from our hips, but that's not the point. We really want to pull, so trying to burn this stuff right there. Try to be as straight up as you can, go as far as you can extend. And there you have it. Those are your 4 exercises for this love handles workout. This is day 8, so we're going a little harder. We're gonna have some fun. Let's get to set 1 right now. Marching jacks, 3, 2, 1, go. Great job going right into kick crunches. Steel yourself, gather your breath. Kick crunches in 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Next, we have those side knee repeaters. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. We're gonna focus on 15 seconds this side, and then we'll switch. All right, switching in 3, 2, and 1, switch sides. If the twisting motion throws you off balance, just focus on going straight. You can go here, just like that. And done. Last, we have those side leg lifts. Stand up nice and tall. We're going in 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. Really pull from your hips. You have to reset. Feel like your balance is off, hold on to something. Just try not to turn out your foot this way. We almost want to be pointing with our heel, the blade of our foot. So it's really gonna help us with our love handles. I said side handles. Same thing. All right, there you go. That's your set 1. Grab some water if you need it. Then we're gonna jump into set number 2. Let's get it. Let's have some fun, starting right now. Marching jacks, 3, 2, 1, go. Kick crunch, 3, 2, 1, go. Side knee repeaters, 3, 2, 1, go. Switch in 3, 2, 1, switch. Side leg lifts, 3, 2, 1, go. Great job, second set done. We have one more set to go. Come on, this is day 8. This is where the finish line is within sight. Let's get it. Marching jacks, 3, 2, 1, go. Kick crunch, 3, 2, 1, go. Side knee repeaters, 3, 2, 1, go. Switch in 3, 2, 1, switch. Side leg lifts, 3, 2, 1, go. And there you have it. That was day 8 of the 10-day Muffin Top Toning Challenge. Give yourself one of these and one of these. That was a tough one, but you're here. You reached the end. So excited for you. Tune in tomorrow for day 9 with Coach Gabby, and then I'll be back for day 10. It's going to be a great one. I hope you're loving this challenge. If you are posting it on social media, use the hashtag #SvelteChallenges. That way we can see it. We can celebrate with y'all. Without further ado, I hope you have a great day. Stay strong, my friend. Peace.